it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kraff and Jiggy, Narly, and the Riddim. I think this is a Jiggy production, so that's why Jiggy is featured on it. Not sure if he's actually on the song itself. So we're gonna jump in the one on here where Bodo Trap Office say. We have a lot of reaction to get through, guys. Bear with me. Let's jump to the one and do. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
No, college student. Party invite, I go out. Look like him in one college dorm, man.
Zungu zenga, zungu zenga, zungu zenga.
Jiggity! So, make we comment for what we see already. We see him in our like it's a college dorm room, where him send out some party. Well, him write up some party invite and him send out. So right now him jump on him cycle and him skate him outside. You see it? So Zungu Zeng, you know, big bad song from Yellow Man himself. So reference to Yellow Man Padawan Kraff. Big up.
Nine bitch in I bed, the next friend make 10, 12 gal in I lobby, bring 3 left 12.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Oh, yeah.
Let's go!
9 bitch in I bed. Oh, and the best friend make 10. Call it down, I'm for real, man. See there? Basta ka have a college party. Be a student. Zungu zenga.
9 bitch in I bed, the next friend make 10, 12 gal in I lobby, bring 3 left 12.
Yeah.
A regular me drunk and jiff in I Benz. African powers, all the fuck if it ain't.
A regular me junk and jiff in I Benz. Me have African powers, the ancestral powers them strong. So how the fuck me for that? Yo,
A regular
where party there?
bitch in I bed, the next friend make 10, 12 gal in I
Let me
lobby,
read the
bring
poster.
3 left 12.
For a party tonight, time.
A regular me drunk and jiff in I Benz. African powers, all the fuck if it ain't. Papa, pizza, killer, liquor. I me say,
Yo, the boss happy I deliver him flyers them. Cause I know the girl them gonna turn out, you know. Him happy I deliver the flyers them.
bring 3 left 12. A regular me drunk and jiff in I Benz. African powers, all the fuck if it ain't.
Boss,
Papa,
skip.
pizza, killer, liquor. I me say, zungu zenga, zungu. A anywhere me party, me ras gun tuck. Anywhere me clot, me dark and done.
Anyway, my party, my ass gun tuck. So the boss will tell you, say, anyway, him gun can't go, him not go, brother. If you see him, just know say him tuck. Him tuck. Yeah.
I me say, zungu zenga, zungu. A anywhere me party, me ras gun tuck.
Yeah.
Anywhere me clot, me dark and done. Shotty rum brown on my ras clock, drunk blow light, now the party, the dance can't done.
Officer, what the blood? What? Officer, what? Where I come knock on the people them door for? Where you say? Talk up, me can't hear you shouting, remember? Where you say? Alright, let's go.
Done. Shotty rum brown on my ras clock, drunk blow light, now the party, the dance can't done.
Yeah.
I'll say the word if you want some fun. Stagger, puff.
Carefully, I get big a while ago when him see that. He must say, yo, what this? How what this?
When my clock in my dark and done. Scotty rum brown on my rascal. Junk blue light now the party, the dance can't done. Corporal, say the word if you want some fun. Stagger, puff, now my thoughts fucked up. Christian pop pill, now she want ton slut. She ring tree friend, where you call that mom. She suck me till she nauseous. Blick on my body, tell Goofy be cautious. Pills in my noggin, this shit got me salty. Be on my booster like oh I be robbing. She gon' pop this perks and then she gon' get naughty.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Oh, yeah. What? You're the man who make some foreign style video, brother. Serious. Kraff, big up, dog. Big up the new crop of artists, them, bro. The man them just creative, dog. Jiggy, big up, dog.
9 bitch in I bed, the next friend make 10, 12 gal in I lobby, bring 3 left 12. A regular me drunk and drift in I Benz. African powers, how the fuck if it dead.
Yeah.
Papa, pizza, killer, liquor. I me say, zungu, 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 zenga. Zungu, 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 zenga. Anywhere my party, my rascal talk, yeah. Anywhere my clock, my dark and done. Scotty rum brown on my rascal. Junk blue light, now the party, the dance can't done. Corporal, say the word if you want some fun.
Yes.
Stagger, puff, now my thoughts fucked up.
Yes.
Christian pop pill, now she want ton slut. She ring tree friend, where you call that mom. She suck dick till she nauseous. Blick on my body, tell Goofy be cautious.
She suck dick till she nauseous. She suck dick till she get dizzy. She suck dick till job won't tired. She suck dick till she get lockjaw.
Why you call that mom? She suck dick till she nauseous. Blick on my body, tell Goofy be cautious. Pills in my noggin, this shit got me salty. Be on my booster like oh I be robbing. She gon' pop this perks and then she gon' get naughty. Freaking the shit, she be good gawking, go cuckoo for me.
Kraff. Chill, dog.
Pop this perks and then she gon' get naughty. Freaking the shit, she be good gawking, go cuckoo for me. I ain't talking, she hauling. Get me salty. Be on my booster like oh I be robbing.
Hold on.
Cautious. Pills in my noggin, this shit got me salty. Be
The Fresh Prince. Boss, I read the Fresh Prince stop. Jiggy, I read the Fresh Prince stop. Jiggy, big up yourself, bro.
on my booster like oh I be robbing. She gon' pop this perks and then she gon' get naughty. Freaking the shit, she be good gawking, go cuckoo for me. I ain't talking, she hauling. Get loose.
Fuck. What?
Freaking the shit, she be good gawking, go cuckoo for me. I ain't talking, she hauling. Get
Freaking the shit, she go. She go cuckoo for me. So she got mad for him. She's madly in love with the dick.
Good gawking, go cuckoo for me. I ain't talking, she hauling. Get lucid for me, ride that dick like a Harley. Pushing this pin out the feds, they be watching.
My man said the girl ride the dick like a Harley Davidson bike him attack. Vroom, vroom. Them big bike there where the American them love, right? Yeah, the 𝐑𝐄𝐶 and 𝐿𝑍 man, them Harley Davidson, yeah, them bike there.
Get lucid for me, ride that dick like a Harley. Pushing this pin out the feds, they be watching. Double extendo, shit look like a goblin. We spinning again and again till we drop him. Don't see him outside, of course we gon' come knocking. 2, 2, 3 bullets, black hot like wasabi. Drop him, don't touch him. Double extendo, shit look like a goblin. We spinning again and again till we drop him. Don't see him outside, of course we gon'
Walk and talk, yes. Walk and talk. The party with be hot, girl. I mean, walk it.
come knocking. 2, 2, 3 bullets, black hot like wasabi. Pain in my body, cure that shit with Molly. We sinning tonight. Tell my mama I'm sorry. Tell my mama
I'm sorry.
I anywhere my party, my rascal talk. Anywhere my clot in my dark and gun. Scotty rum brown on my rascal. Jump blue light, now the party, the dance can't done.
Officer, nah, but I like off dance.
I'll say the word if you want some fun. Stagger, puff, no, my thoughts fucked up. Christian pop pill, no, she want ton slut. She ring tree friend, where you call that mom.
Yeah. This bad. Yo, big up, like me said earlier on, big up the new set of artists and the man them very creative. Producer them creative too. Jiggy, big up yourself, bro. Creative mind, bro. We see the Nigeri and the was it Nigeri and Raja while up on the Riddim I see him here? Yeah. If I'm wrong, sorry, but I think we reacted to that song they already on the same rhythm. Very creative. I like it. Kraff, what can I say about you, my bro? That I haven't said already. I don't think it's much more to say, bro. This is a song. This is a song. This is another hit, bro. This is another hit from Kraff. So, and I'm sure TikTok will be running with this one. It's mad. The video clean, like a foreign them there, bro. I swear, like it feel like me I watch a foreign video, especially when them a deliver the flyer them. Yo, the video just clean, bro. So big up the video personnel for now on the dog. Una do a great job, and enough people don't fuck with this the trap dancehall, but you have some nice song tonight, brother. You have some nice vibey song tonight. If you wanna put this song in the trap dancehall category, then but you have some nice song tonight. So big up the artist them. We are do the work and the producer them and the production team behind the artist them. You see me? So yeah. This time I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, you wanna see in the next one for real, for real. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.